Dear learners, today, the focus of my presentation is concept of formative and summative evaluation. Let us first try to understand what is formative evaluation. Michael Scriven coined the terms formative and summative evaluation in 1967. Published this concept in a paper titled The Methodology of Evaluation. Formative evaluation is also known as continuous evaluation or internal evaluation or diagnostic evaluation or classroom evaluation. Formative evaluation is used during the teaching learning process to monitor the learning process. It is developmental in nature and aims at improvement of instruction. Provide continuous feedback for improvement, both for teacher and student modifying instruction remedial class. Feedback provides reinforcement of successful learning and identifies learning errors need correction. It answers to questions. 1. Is the instruction successful? 2. If it is not successful, what can be done to avoid failure? Information obtained through teacher observations in classroom, questioning, class tests, home assignment, quizzes, etc. The results of this kind of test is not recorded or graded because it is only for feedback. Proceed to next objective. If class attains 75% or above mastery, remediate. If the class attained 50% to 74% mastery, reteach. If class achieved less than 50% mastery. Various techniques of formative evaluation. 1. Classroom discussions. Encouraging students to participate in discussions allows the teacher to assess their understanding, address misconceptions, and promote critical thinking. 2. Exit tickets. Quick, targeted questions at the end of a lesson help assess immediate comprehension. Students provide written responses to demonstrate their understanding. 3. Think pair share. Students individually think about a question or topic, discuss it with a partner, and then share their thoughts with the class. This promotes collaboration and exposes differing perspectives. 4. Peer review. Students review and provide feedback on each other's work, fostering a collaborative environment and allowing the teacher to assess individual understanding. 5. 1-minute papers or quick summaries. Students write a brief summary of the main points learned in a lesson within a specified time frame. 6. Muddiest point. Students identify the most challenging or unclear aspect of a lesson. This helps the teacher understand which concepts may need further clarification. 7. Quizzes and mini-tests. 1. Pre-assessment. Administering quizzes or tests at the beginning of a unit to gauge prior knowledge. 2. Formative quizzes. Short quizzes during the learning process to assess ongoing understanding. 8. Observations. 1. Teacher observations. Teachers observe students during class activities to assess engagement, understanding, and behavior. 2. Peer observations. Colleagues or students observe each other and provide feedback on instructional practices. 9. Peer teaching. Allowing students to teach a concept to their peers not only reinforces their understanding but also provides insight into their grasp of the material. 10. Homework and assignments. Homework checks, reviewing and providing feedback on completed homework assignments. Classwork review. Assessing the quality of work completed during class activities. Key characteristics of formative evaluation. 1. Developmental nature. Formative evaluation is developmental, focusing on the improvement of instruction and the learning process. 2. Continuous feedback. Formative evaluation provides ongoing feedback to both teachers and students. This feedback is essential for understanding the progress of the students, identifying areas where they may be struggling, and adjusting instruction accordingly. 3. Modification of instruction. Teachers use formative assessment data to modify their teaching strategies. If a teacher identifies that a significant portion of the class did not grasp a particular concept, they can adjust their teaching methods to address this gap. 4. Remedial classes. Formative evaluation may lead to the implementation of remedial classes or additional support for students who are struggling. 5. Reinforcement and correction. Formative assessment reinforces successful learning by acknowledging students' achievements. It also identifies learning errors, allowing for timely correction. Let me now discuss the concept of summative evaluation. It is called summarizing evaluation because it occurs at the end of the term, course, or program of teaching. Outcome evaluation or impact evaluation. Fixed time and context. It is conducted at the end of an instructional segment to determine the worth of teaching learning process and typically involves various types of tests. It indicates the degree to which the students have mastered the course content. Formal classroom tests such as unit exam, term exam, final exam are used for summative evaluation. Grade students, rank students, promoting students, evaluate teachers, certifying, selecting, etc. Pass judgment on teachers, students, curriculum, and entire system. Various methods of summative evaluation. 1. Final exams, teacher-made tests, comprehensive exams conducted at the end of a course or academic term. Purpose: to assess students' overall understanding of the course content. Characteristics may include a variety of question formats such as multiple choice, short answer, essay questions, or practical exams. 2. Standardized tests, pre-established tests administered under standardized conditions. Purpose: to compare the performance of students across different schools or regions. Characteristics: questions are carefully designed to be fair and reliable, and results are often non-referenced. 3. Project-based assessments, evaluation based on projects or assignments completed by students. Purpose: to assess students' ability to apply knowledge and skills to real-world tasks. Characteristics: projects may involve research papers, presentations, or hands-on activities. 4. Portfolios, a collection of a student's work over a period of time. Purpose: to showcase a student's achievements, growth, and skills. Characteristics includes various artifacts such as essays, projects, artwork, and reflections. 5. Performance evaluations, assessment based on observed performance or practical skills. Purpose: to evaluate competence in specific tasks or activities. Characteristics often used in disciplines such as the arts, physical education, or vocational training. 6. Comprehensive oral exams, verbal assessments where students respond to questions posed by an examiner. Purpose: to assess the depth of students' understanding and ability to articulate ideas. Characteristics often used in graduate or professional programs. Characteristics of summative evaluation. It is terminal, ending, in nature as it comes at the end of the course of instruction. It is judgmental in character in the sense that it judges the achievement of pupils. It cannot be based on teachers' observation only. It does not pinpoint difficulties faced by the learner. Its result can be used for placement and grading purpose. It may or may not motivate the learners. Sometimes it may have negative effects. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shokin Bilal.